Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong says his country won't be raising its alert for COVID-19 to the highest level, as the situation there remains under control. He's made the comment in an address broadcast earlier this hour, after the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic amid a wave of infections around the world.
But additional measures will be needed to prepare for a possible spike in cases here in Singapore.
These will be temporary, like suspending school, staggering work hours, or compulsory telecommuting. They will be extra breaks to be implemented when we see a spike in cases. The extra breaks will slow down transmission of the virus, prevent our healthcare system from being overwhelmed, and help bring the numbers back down. After the situation improves, we can ease off and go back to the baseline precautions. But let me emphasize this. The situation in Singapore remains under control. We are not going to DORSCON red. We are not locking down our city like the Chinese, the South Koreans, or Italians have done. What we are doing now is to plan ahead for some of these more stringent measures, try them out, and prepare Singaporeans for when we actually need to implement them.
Well, Mr. Lee has also laid out steps that Singapore will take to create additional healthcare capacity in case of a surge in infections, like freeing up hospital beds and warding only the more serious cases. Plans to help companies and workers to stay afloat. They're in the pipeline as well to cushion the economic impact.
But Mr. Lee stressed that the psychological aspect is also critical in the fight against COVID-19.
What makes Singapore different from other countries is that we have confidence in each other, we feel that we are all in this together, and we don't leave anyone behind. This is SG United. We are SG United. We will remain in this high-risk state, nevertheless, for some time to come. But if we keep up our guard and take practical precautions to protect ourselves and our families, we will be able to keep our economy going and carry on with our daily lives. In such a crisis, everyone has a part to play.